Alright, so I know many of you will be asking if it is really possible for you to send bulk emails directly from Google Sheet. In this video, I'm going to prove it to you, showing you how you yourself can start sending out bulk emails every single day that will be landing in the inbox folder of your recipient directly from Google Sheet. Now take a look at this. I'm basically trying out so many tools out there, trying to figure out what is working so I can come here and share with you all. So I discovered this new tool that would help us send emails directly from Google Sheet. And I tried using it, and I tell you that the results so far has not been bad at all. So for starters, this can also be one of the best way for you to start sending out bulk emails directly into the inbox folder of your recipient. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So firstly, to access Google Sheet, you want to come over to your browser, then you want to click on this box icon close to your Google profile picture. Right here, you will find all of Google Software's applications here, but I want you to come down to this very part, and you see this one that says Sheet. So here is the Google Sheet that we are looking for. So you want to go ahead and open this. So majorly, if you have any of your documents stored up in a CSV format, basically you'll find them here on Google Sheet, right? And for your email list as well, if you have your email list stored up in a CSV file format, you will definitely have it right here, and that would make it easy for you to start sending out your bulk emails. All right, but for me, my emails were delivered in a TXT file, so I'll go ahead and just add them as a CSV file by clicking on blank sheet. I'll name this column email column, which is where I'll input all the emails I want to send bulk emails to. And based on me just showing you guys how to send bulk emails directly from Google Sheet, I've got a few email addresses here for the sample, right? So let me just copy all of these right now, and I'm going to paste them into my Google Sheet, and that's it. So you can see I already have my own emails in Google Sheet, and if you have that, then we are ready to go over to the next step. So secondly, we need to prepare our email message. Okay, I want to come over to my Gmail account, and basically I'm going to pretend like I want to send an email to someone. But right here where you have the recipient, I want you to leave this blank. Okay, you don't have to add any email address. Remember, you're pretending like you want to send out your email, right? So you want to come back to the subject line. Okay, come down to the subject line and type in what you want to put in here. So for me, I'm just going to write something random here, and I'll go ahead and input my email message. So that is what you need to do. All right, so please make sure to avoid inputting any email address at the recipient box. Okay, add your subject text and your email message. Okay, now I want you to go ahead and close this. Okay, because when you do, you won't lose your email, but rather it will be saved up as a draft message, and this is what we are looking at. Okay, this is what we want. We want to make sure that our message is basically stored up as a draft message. Now I need you to come back to the Google Sheet. Now I want you to come over to this place, and I want you to click on extension. Okay, then you want to hover around add-ons. Okay, select get add-ons. Now you are brought over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. So this is basically where you're going to be finding a whole lot of extension that can be used to assist you with your day-to-day business activities. Now I want you to come over to this place, and you want to search for Mergo, okay, spelled as M-E-R-G-O. So basically that is actually how I pronounce it. So I don't know if that is the real pronunciation, but then Mergo is what I want you to search for. Okay, and now if you click on search, you're going to be finding the extension right here. You can see that this is the extension that we want to install into our Google Sheet. So this one right here, having the spelling on its picture, is the Mergo bulk email sender extension that you want to install into your Google Sheet. So basically, Mergo is a free to use bulk email sender used by quite a number of people, including me myself. I was testing this out, and trying to see if this would actually work fine. And of course, for starters, it's not bad at all. So this tool has basically helped us send bulk emails, and results so far has been fair enough. Okay, so to install this extension into your Google Sheet, you just want to click on install right here. You want to choose the email account you want to use in sending your bulk email. So please note this. Okay, so the email address that you are going to be making use of is the same email address you are going to be making use of when you want to start sending your bulk emails. You can basically change this, and I think that's only the downside that this tool has. The email address you use is the same email address you're going to be using for a lifetime, so you can basically change the email address, and that is why I recommend, if you have a business email address, I recommend you use that. Okay, and I did a testing on this. Okay, trying out a business email address and also a random email address, but I can tell you this for a fact that the results so far are much more better when you use a business email address than when you're making use of a random email address to send bulk emails. And that is something that works super fine. If you're making use of a business email, it's super easy for you to send out bulk emails without any issue whatsoever. But when you're making those random emails, right, you can actually expect a lot of things like bounces, and you can see that we have successfully installed this extension into our Google Sheet. Now that is good. Now the next thing you want to do right now is you want to go over and you want to refresh this, and you should actually see the Mego icon displaying right here. Then you want to click on the icon, you want to select mail merge, and please, this is going to be a little bit technical from here. So you see where it says select a Gmail draft. So Mego already picked our draft email from our Gmail account, remember, right? So all my email drafts are right here on the Mego application. I want you to know that those two don't have access to your major inbox emails, so you don't have to be scared using this tool. It can only see your draft emails. So you want to come to the email column and you want to choose email, because that is the column where we have our email list in. Then for your sender name, you can basically edit this to your preference. Remember, the email address you can change, but the name you want people to see, you can basically change that. So I want you to do something else. I want you to make sure you toggle on this button right here so as to enable tracking on your emails. This would actually show you your email result. So it works more like an email monitor, showing you the send rate, the open rate, the reply, the bounces, and all of that. So please make sure you turn that right on. And you can see that I've got only 13 email addresses here. Okay, and you can see that if you're making use of this tool, the free version of this tool, right, you're going to be entitled to sending over 500 emails every day, okay, per day. You're going to be sending 500 emails per day according to the free version plan that you might want to be making use of. So if you want to go pro, you can basically go pro, all right, and you basically get a whole lot of emails being sent out with the pro version. But making use of the free version, you have 500 emails a day, and that is why I said for starters, it's not bad at all. 500 emails a day, and in 5 days, you should be able to send over 2,500 emails. That's super cool too. So now I'll go ahead and click on send 13 emails, and you can see that our emails are going out already. Over 3 emails sent and still sending. So if you talk about fast, how super fast it too can be, I told you Mego is basically fast. Okay, I just typed in send, I just pressed send 13 emails, and you can see that the result so far is just going so well. All right, so basically here on this page, you can see that our emails are going out already. So I want you to look at this place right here. This is where you're going to be seeing all your email stats. Okay, so how your emails have been sent, how they are performing, if they've been opened already. You see everything right here. If your emails are being bounced back, you get to see all of those stats are right here. Okay, so the open rate, the reply, and everything will be found right here. So everything is quite easy when you're making use of the right tool. So once you're making use of the right tool, you basically not stress yourself with sending bulk emails. So the right tool is what you should always strive for. Make sure to always use the right tool when it comes to sending your business, and in business entirely. Making of the right tool would definitely help you. So Mego also has a follow-up settings for you. Most times this will actually help you enhance your result when sending out bulk emails. I've actually tried this out, sending out most of my campaigns for scheduled days, and I told you that the result actually skyrocketed, right? I sent some emails some few days back, they didn't land so well, and I tried sending them again, and of course I got a better result. So please always make sure to use this feature if you care to use it. So if you enjoyed watching this tool in action and you'd love to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell icon for more updates like this. And also I have this other video right here where I teach how 50,000 emails addresses receive my clients' emails, and you too can also learn a thing or two from this video on how to send bulk emails that would land in the inbox folder of your recipient. So make sure to watch this video as well, and I'll see you there. Bye.